Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Melanie Mayberry, and I'm a full-time faculty member, clinical associate member at the University of Detroit Mercy School of Dentistry. I'm also the division head of Practice Essentials and Interprofessional Education, and I am running for the position of trustee for the Michigan Dental Association. We've been asked to answer two specific questions, and I want to answer those questions for you today. The first question is, what key strategy would I use as a trustee at large to engage stakeholders and local and state membership on key perspectives? I think the strategy that I would use is listening and trying to reach out to as many of our constituents as possible, to as many of our members as possible. I think anytime you hear as much perspective or as many perspectives as possible on a given issue, it makes us all a little bit smarter. It makes me stop and reflect on issues or aspects that I may not have considered. I think the more we listen, the more we have an opportunity to strengthen our position or to reevaluate our position because we have additional information that makes us a little bit smarter or a little bit wiser. So I would say one of the main strategies is listening and trying to reach out to as many of our constituents. I think it's important also to keep in mind that with this position, the trustee, it is a at-large position. And so even though I am from the city of Detroit and from Detroit district component, I think it's important that we represent all of the views that's going to really advance the Michigan Dental Association and not any one particular area. We are stronger collectively, and I think that's the beauty in having a collective and collaborative voice. The second thing that we were asked to address was of the Michigan Dental Association core values, which one resonated with me? I think that they're all very well thought and extremely important. I think engaging people is extremely important. Having a respectful dialogue goes without saying. But the core value that resonates with me the most is servant leadership. That resonates because the idea of being a servant, in my mind, says that I'm working for something bigger than myself. The idea of being a servant means that I am in a position that, if necessary, to yield, that I'm in a position that requires me to listen, that I'm in a position that would encourage me to be respectful of people that I'm interacting with directly or indirectly. And so servant leadership resonates. It just sends the message and speaks to me that I'm leading, yes, but I'm leading for something bigger than me. I'm leading for a bigger cause. And I think that combination of servant leadership requires leadership skills, but it also requires us to remember what is the point of our leadership. And the point of our leadership is always, and no matter what we do, it is always to make something better, to make something bigger and better outside of ourselves and to advance something that is bigger than all of us. I look forward to seeing all of you in Grand Rapids. I hope that you would consider voting for me as trustee of the Michigan Dental Association. I hope you also had an opportunity to read a few of the words that we were asked to speak on why we're running for this in the Journal of the Michigan Dental Association. I'll see you in Grand Rapids. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Have a great day.